Hello, this is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com. I did a tutorial for the Exodus Era class, and I promised to show how to cut off the strings off of a cluster, and I forgot to do it in the tutorial. And I'm doing another kit now, and I just remembered that I needed to show that. So I'm going to show it here. This is another kit I'm working on called a gift Bible journal kit. And this is the Traveler's Notebook background, very similar to the one that I was using the other day. And we dragged and dropped a cluster onto the top of the Traveler's Notebook. And we had these threads in the stitching that went too far over on the page. And I'm going to show you real quickly how to, and I'm hitting Control plus to zoom in and Control minus to zoom back out. And it's a pretty simple process. We're going to use the Marquee tool. I'm in Photoshop, but you have the same tool in Photoshop Elements. So you go get the Marquee tool, rectangular Marquee tool, and you just draw a rectangle wherever you want to delete or erase part of the image. There's one thing that you have to remember. Anytime that you're modifying an image in Photoshop Elements, you are not allowed to erase any part of that image until you simplify the layer. Now in Photoshop it's called rasterize, but in Photoshop Elements it's called simplify. So you'll go over to that layer in the Layers palette and find the word. It's rasterize here, and this is already rasterized, so I don't have to do it. But you're going to use find the word simplify layer, and then hit Command X on a Mac or Control X on a PC, and it deletes it. So it's that simple. The other thing that you could do is use the eraser tool and do the same thing. But I'm going to undo that. So that's it. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.